Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we'll be teaching Will Richard, aka the Apple Virgin, to unbox his iPhone 12. He just got your iPhone 12 today.
It's the most money I've ever spent in my life, so I'm pretty nice.
Oh, okay. Now show us what did you get today.
So
the most important thing.
This, of course, is the iPhone. I chose the white version. It's 64 gigabytes because I don't need that much storage.
Yeah. That's
it.
What else?
I got these budget earpods from
So sad. He's not getting the AirPod.
Yeah, I can't
Excuse me.
I can't afford that. So
you're the Apple boy already. You need to get everything Apple.
No, too poor for that shit.
Oh.
So this is just $15 from Kmart.
That's that for you, honey.
Same with the phone case protection, just $5.
$5.
And then I got
a phone case.
This phone case. It was like $20.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
I don't know. Quite expensive in my opinion. It can be cheaper.
Anyway.
I mean, sure, you pay.
So should we start?
Yes.
Okay.
Start with the iPhone. Woo!
Ooh, okay.
Why do you get the white?
Just because it was neutral and it just goes with everything. I would have got the red, but I just thought no.
Oh.
White's better.
Okay. Ooh. Don't drop it.
Oh,
That's the other side. The other way around. Yeah.
Oh my god, so smooth.
Ew. It's dirty.
It's
Does
not
it smell
dirty.
good? Yeah, I can't smell any. Yeah.
Okay, so this is the big reveal. Ooh,
show the camera. Ooh, it's an iPhone 12.
That's pretty white. What were you saying about?
Yeah, what I was saying, like mine is, I'm using the iPhone XR. If you're wondering.
Oh my god, can you hear that?
Wait, do it.
ASMR. I don't know if you could hear that, but it was like really satisfying.
It's okay. But yeah, I got the 10R. It was very white, and apparently that one, the white there is like a soft white, so it's not like cool white. It's more like warm white.
Yeah.
I think. Oh, what else in the box?
Okay, of course. So we've got a sticker.
Oh, an Apple sticker.
And then just like information.
Yeah, and also a SIM thing.
And then
just a cable.
Just a cable.
Yeah.
For
charging. For charging.
So it's my first iPhone, so I don't have any idea.
Oh. Yeah, it's a USB-C to Lightning cable if you're wondering, and I think that it is no charger, so it's not good for first time buyer like Will Apple Virgin.
I've got to buy it myself.
But yeah.
But yeah, that's that.
Are you excited? What are you going to do with the Apple sticker?
Do you want it?
I have a lot of them. Think about how many iPhones I buy.
I'm probably not going to use it.
Save it. People save it for nothing. I don't know. Yeah, sometimes people save it for sticking on their calculator cover or something. Or maybe on their car window. I don't know. Yeah. Oh, new iPhone. Do you want me to do screen protector first or set it up?
We'll just set it up first.
Yeah.
So this is taking me way too long.
It's okay, just put it away. Oh yeah, tell everyone what you're using before the iPhone.
Oh, so this is my old phone.
Yeah.
It's Galaxy A50. So like it's only a year and a half old, but it's like a bootleg, not bit. It was like real cheap budget series.
Like a budget entry level.
Yeah, and then I dropped it in water like a couple months ago, and just progressively gotten worse and worse due to water damage. So
it's time to change.
Yeah, it gave me an excuse to splurge. So I got this.
Welcome to the family. I mean, welcome to the Apple.
Thank you.
Do you know how to use it?
So that's the on button?
Yeah, that's the power button, and just power it on. Oh,
there we go.
Oh, you need to set up a lot of things.
I know.
Apple ID, Face ID, password, and then your what's that? The credit card.
Oh my god, very smudged.
Do you want to put a case on it?
Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so this is the case. It does bend a bit.
Don't bend it, girl. He got a purple phone.
Oh my god, that looks pretty good.
Actually, it does. And the white.
Yeah, I love that. I love that.
Imagine if you get a red or something.
No, red's too like bright.
Okay.
Swipe to open.
Oh, sure. No, not yet. You need to swipe the bar. Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
So we're gonna...
should I film what you're doing now? Or?
Yeah, sure.
Give us a
We're
setup.
gonna do English,
Yes.
Australia.
Yeah. Oh. So what is the next one?
Quick start.
Yes.
Set up manually.
Mm-hmm.
This can't though be very exciting.
Yeah.
We'll just choose sister's Wi-Fi.
Oh, I'm gonna type in the password. Okay, so it's now activating. Wait, it's smaller than my phone for some reason, even though it's the same size.
Do you want to get yours out to compare?
No, my phone is fine.
Of course. I'm an idiot.
It's okay. That's alright.
Continue.
Yeah.
iPhone can recognize the unique three-dimensional features of your face to unlock automatically.
period.
Use Apple Pay and make purchases. Subscribe to services from Apple.
Yeah, try.
Continue.
Yeah, just follow the instruction there.
Okay. I've got an identical twin, so I hope this doesn't like make him.
I don't know. Now, that is the thing you need to test out.
Yeah.
Like when you're at home with your
I
brother.
have to do that.
Yeah.
Okay, so position your face in the camera frame.
Mm-hmm.
Then move.
Ooh. I think you do. Oh, what? I see.
Wow, this looks like really high tech.
Right? That's what I use all the day, every single day. Oh. Is it scan? Oh, scan again. Give us 360 degrees. So high
Face
tech.
ID is now set up.
Oh, nice. Congrats.
Thank you.
Passcode. Passcode would be me. Yay. Sure. Whatever. Oh yeah, guys, give you a quick update what happened to the house. At the moment, our lemon tree fallen down. Part of it, not the whole tree, thank God. But yeah, we're just waiting for the gardener to come and clean this up. It's gonna be expensive, but yeah. Yeah, so we're now transferring data from the old Samsung A50 to the brand new iPhone 12. Moving to Android.
Okay, so continue. 1013.
So we're now setting up. Ooh, connecting.
Nice.
And we just wait. It's probably gonna take a while.
Devices.
Oh, yeah.
This is a size difference. So I could have got the mini and the size would have been like...
So small? The mini is too small
this
for
is
you.
like wider, I think. Oh, no, it's about the same length, but this one's longer.
I see. So right now it's doing... Ooh, now it's just doing its job. That's good. I need to give you a charger for that. Your phone is dying. Imagine if you're transferring data in the middle of the thing and then
It's got 27%.
oh my god.
So it just...
It's okay. I just give you. Anyway, guys, I will pick you here. Is it transferring data?
Yeah, I think so.
Good.
I just thought Lily might want to be on camera.
Yeah, guys, we're just waiting for the data to transfer. Hey guys, so after a very long time, we finished set up Will's brand new iPhone 12. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's great.
Aww. Any first impression of the iPhone that you want to talk?
Yeah.
Share to our viewer as
I mean, it's
Apple
good,
virgin.
but it's expensive, so... Yeah.
I know, it's expensive, but it's worth it.
Yeah, I'll see.
We'll see. We'll
We'll
see
see.
how long the iPhone 12 gonna last.
Yeah,
Is it that's it?
I think so.
Okay.
Alright.
Anyways, guys, see you.
Bye.
Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. You never know, so you will never miss a brand new video. Don't forget to follow all my social media accounts. I'll just link down below, which is Shing John from Twitter, Snapchat, Facebook, and Instagram. What about you, Will? Do you want to promote your
No.
Instagram? Okay, never mind. I will put her down below as well. See you guys. Bye.
Bye.
Hi Lily, how are you? Oh, so cute. Meow meow meow. Meow meow meow. Bye.